Hey everyone, and once again welcome to WsCubeTech. Myself Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video I'm going to talk about mobile responsiveness and mobile friendliness. Guys, trust me, this is one of the most important factor when you are doing your SEO. Right? It is one of the most important factor to improve your search ranking, and it is one of the direct factor that Google considers when they want to rank your website higher or when they are giving some value to your website. So it's a direct factor. Let me note down some points. It's a direct factor for your SEO effort, right? So your website should be mobile friendly. Now there are different ways that you can use to check whether your website is mobile friendly or not. I'll be telling you two methods. One is manual methods. When we say about methods, so I'll be telling you two methods. One is manual method and the second one is automated or tool based, basically tool based method. So in manual method, what you have to do is basically you have to come to the mobile version of your website. Suppose for this particular example, I am taking this website where we have to check the mobile friendliness of WsCubeTech.com. So you see this website looks very great on desktop. Now let's check its mobile version. Now I'll be clicking on this inspect. We'll be going to inspect tool, and in inspect tool I'll be clicking on this device toggle. You can see over here the small device toggle toolbar over here, which is having basically mobile, tablet and other we can switch between different kind of devices. So let me click on this, and now here it is. We are having iPhone 6, 7 version over here. So let me change it to some other. Okay, here's the iPhone 10. Now you have to check it manually. When I was saying manually means that you have to check each and everything very closely. Make sure the button should not overlap, okay, and they should have proper distance in between. The text should not look very small, and the logo should be very clearly visible, and it should not disproportionate, right? Because in some cases when you see logo on mobile device, it's quite disproportionate, and when you see it on desktop, it looks perfect. So you have to see that the different elements that are present on your website should be mobile friendly. Also the menu and everything, so that thing you basically have to check manually. So what I have done is I have went to the mobile version of my website, or we can say that mobile look of our website, and now on a website we are checking different elements. Okay, fine. So far, so now everything is clean, right? You see, you can easily see these icons are also very clean, and this pop-up is there. So everything is clean right now. So we have to monitor this thing very closely, each and every element with respect to mobile devices, and we can check on different devices also. Right now I am doing it on iPhone X. We can move to iPhone 6, 7, 8. Okay, then you have to also check. So you do have to do these kind of things manually. Another thing that you can basically do is, let me tell you, you can come to your website, and then you have to basically adjust your this window of your browser. So if you are adjusting this window, let me do that. So when you are basically adjusting your screen, the element should not get disturbed, right? You can see the elements are not getting disturbed. Everything is aligned basically. So this is the important thing that you have to consider that. So the second method, which is tool based method, that you can try is you can go to mobile friendly test. You just type mobile friendly test, and there it is. You just have to come to this thing, search.google. So it's a Google tool to check whether your website is mobile friendly or not. So you can use the code of your website also. If you have the code, you can put the code over here, and this tool will tell you that this code is mobile friendly or not, and you can put the URL. So we'll be testing on this particular method. Let me copy the URL from here, and I'll be pasting the URL over here, and then clicking on this test URL. So I'll be checking that whether my website is mobile friendly or not. So it will take some time to analyze, and will give some report that whether our website is mobile friendly or not, what kind of scripts are creating problem, what kind of elements are creating problem, and if it is not mobile friendly, what step we should make. So these kind of suggestions and an audit basically this particular tools give us. So here it is. See, what we have checked manually, the tool is also showing that page is mobile friendly, but here are some problems that you can see page loading issues. And why these page loading issues are here? Just because these 32 page resources could not be loaded. Sometimes scripts are not loaded, or they are blocked by some other element. So you have to take care of these things, and if you are taking care of these things very carefully, your errors will be gone, right? So this is the tool that you can basically use to check whether your website or the landing page or the web page is mobile friendly or not. And you should check it because it is one of the most important thing right now with respect to the Google system, with respect to the Google algorithm. You cannot basically ignore this thing. So that's it for this particular video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.